Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off Monday, the focus will be on the Asian session with the release of the latest building permits number as well as some numbers on the jobless market from the ANZ Bank. The news is pretty important and we expect a few trading opportunities in the Australian dollar. Moving into the European session, we expect the market to pay attention to the PMI indexes on business from different European countries, including Switzerland. The indexes have been volatile in the last few months, along with the euro and Swiss franc, and we may see some significant movement in respect for the currencies. On Tuesday during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the latest interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia. The number currently sits at 2.25%. And analysts are split 50-50 in predicting the RBA will reduce rates to 2%, following on from the cut they made in February. We expect extreme volatility surrounding this news in the Australian dollar as traders base their bets on the bank's move. In the US session, the market will await the publication of trade balance figures from Canada and the United States, which will hit the market simultaneously and should create some volatility in the Canadian and US dollars. Early on Wednesday, we'll see the latest unemployment rate from New Zealand as well as the latest retail sales figure from Australia. The jobless market in New Zealand has stabilised over the last year as more and more people enter the workforce, and traders will be hoping for another good number, which should see the Kiwi currency receive a boost. In the European session, we'll see the latest PMI figures on business from various European countries as well as the UK. The figure from the euro has been on the rise in recent times, and a continuation of this trend should see the euro continue its recent strength. In the US session, traders will be interested in the index on unemployment in the agricultural sector from ADP, as well as the Ivy Purchasing Managers Index from Canada. The release of this news should provide some volatility and trading opportunities in the US and Canadian dollars as we close out the trading session. To kick off Thursday during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the latest unemployment rate from Australia. Over the last few years, the number's been on the decline, in part due to the end of the mining boom, leading many to believe that the economy as a whole is feeling the pinch. If another disappointing number hits the market, we could really see the Australian dollar come under pressure against major currencies. In the European session, we'll see the latest figure on industrial orders from Germany, and during the American session, data on the real estate market in Canada, as well as the initial jobless claims figure from the US. The release of this news is expected to create a few trading opportunities in the euro, US and Canadian dollars. On Friday, to finish off the week, the focus will be on statistics from the United States and Canada with the release of the latest unemployment rates. The number from the US will be extremely important as the figure sits at a 7-year low and has been one of the standout performers of a recovering US economy. If the number exceeds expectations, we can expect a strong finish to the week for the US dollar. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.